In today's video, guys, watch us go from this to this, so stay tuned. Morning, guys. It's Chris,
Ryan,
SVT Garage, and again, Joe's not here. So, whoa! There's Joe. He finally got out of bed. It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
I got here right before you, technically. You were late.
All right, we have this beautiful True Blue GT in. We've done work on this before, and we are gonna, younger kid owns it, I should say. So he kind of brings this to us when he's able to afford some of the stuff. And today this car is drastically needing to get lowered, so that's what we're doing today. We got the Eibach. Let's just flip this around. I'll show you guys. So we got some Eibach Pros going in. We got some caster camber plates, some lower control arms, and we are going to make the 4x4 no more. Because you guys know that these stock new Edges sit higher than Ryan's F-150. And we are going to fix that today. So me, Joe, Ryan, we're going to get this thing out on the quick jacks and change the stance of this car. So stay tuned, guys. Follow along. And let's see how good this car looks when we're done. Alright guys, quick update, little progress report here. Front caliper on this side's painted. We use the Aluma Blast. Came out really good. And Ryan, it's been about 35 minutes or so. Ryan's got the back of the springs in on both sides. Got the back calipers painted on both sides. And I think he's got this side, the wheel on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are moving right along with the car. Looks really good. And just gonna get the front buttoned up, so kind of just messing with that right now. We're gonna get in here and help Joe.
I'm kind of just going back and forth because we have one floor jack, but front's just about done. That side is pretty much ready to pop the control arm and the new spring in, but we're just about done up here too. Get the seat back on the ground.
Yeah, so we got the driver's side all out up here. We're gonna get the caster camber plate working on this side. Then we'll start working on that lower control arm. So that's where we're at right now, and then I'll get in here and hit the bracket and the caliper on this side, and those will all be painted. All right, guys, follow along, stay tuned, and we're gonna keep this moving. All right, guys, quick commercial break. Huge shout out to Novsight. They sent us these LED light bulbs. We threw them in the red fire. They're absolutely amazing. Go on their website, check them out. Link in description. Use the code SVTG to save 20% off their products and get your car hooked up. Alright guys, we got the brackets out here with the calipers painted up with that Alumablast. What a huge difference this stuff. It lays so nice. Love the color of it, it's subtle. And I think with that true blue and then those bronze wheels, it's going to look real good. So guys, it's Eastwood, Alumablast. We love the stuff here. It's got a nice little flake in it. Let's see if I get in the sun and we can see some of it. Hold on. Yeah, see it in there? It just lays so nice. And again, it's just not overly done. Obviously, I'm not done painting. I still got a couple areas I got to touch up, but just kind of want to go and update on this and show you guys how nice this looks. So, all right, we're going to keep moving along. Alright guys, quick progress report here. We have the lower control arms, the spindle on this side ready to go. Joe finished the driver's side over there. And we are about to get this all tightened up here. He'll get that spindle on as well. And then I'm coming under here and gonna get the rack all put back together, new bushings, and get everything there greased up. So moving right along. Ryan's just double checking everything in the rear of the car. So far so good and kind of going accordingly as planned. Would you say so, Joe?
Yeah, I think it's going real smooth.
Yeah, super smooth. So car's clean, car's nice, and hopefully this got the caster camber plates up there and just keep pushing along, guys. So stay tuned to follow along.
He had found a set of SR camber plates on Marketplace, and then ordered a new set of strut bushings for it, and it said on Stevie's website they would work. These do not work with this setup. So now we have to put the stock plates back on. The car's not going to be able to be aligned. It's not going to be able to be finished, essentially. No more used parts, guys. If you're bringing us a car, don't even ask. We're not doing used parts anymore. This is the second time we've been burned by it. So from here on out, if it's not brand new, we won't install it here at SVT Garage. We just can't finish the job properly, and it causes us way more issues. So
if you're doing camber plates, buy the better stuff. Buy the Maximum Motorsports
yeah,
ones.
well, these were
we run. They're affordable. I ran them too. I had them on my 01 Cobra for not a lot more money. That's what we run on all our cars.
That's what, if you ask us what to buy, we're going to recommend the Maxims.
100%.
100% all the time, every time. So, unfortunate little series of events here. So we got to undo some of the work. We just did here. Pull them off, put the fact rings back on so that we can get the car back to him today. Because if I'm not mistaken, this is his daily, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, we can't leave the car, you know, in pieces like this because we have to wait now 4 or 5 days for a new set of camber plates to come in or the hardware. So, unfortunately, it's just gotta, we're gonna have to revisit that once those come in, and we'll just take them back off and do them. So, all right, that's where we're at with this. We're getting this thing all put back together, buttoned up, follow along, and we'll get this back on the road, see how she looks. Alright guys, car's going on the ground. Everything is installed. Calipers are back on, painted up, looking good. Just checked everything, nothing rubbing. Fortunately, we had to go back to being the stocks until we can have him order the new ones on that. So, but here she is. Let's get her on the ground and see how that looks, because we're excited to see this. Good job, boys. Another car done. Wyatt's GT is going back to him here in, I don't know, probably another day.
Yeah.
It's all set. It's all done. Car looks great. We'll flip around, take a peek at it. But huge shout out to Joe and Ryan for coming together and banging this thing out. So
we're gonna have to come back for the camber plates and alignment, but for now, it's what we got.
Yeah. So you guys saw that little mishap in the video. So let's flip this around and take a peek at it. So I think it lowered it just enough. It's not crazy, like sitting on the tire low. It's his daily driver, so what do you guys think? It might settle a little bit more.
It's done. Oh yeah.
For, you know, probably overnight, but I think where it's at, and just a tad bit, it's going to look great, and it's not going to be too aggressive. So, car looks awesome. Just the wheels, you know, kind of not having that huge gap. It just ties it all in a little better, and I think it looks great. So, Joe, thanks again.
No problem.
Right. But guys, it's Chris,
Joe,
Ryan.
it's SVT Garage, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. So we got a lot of stuff coming, so stay tuned.